Don't try this at home.
No, do it at your neighbor's house.
That's right. Burn his freaking garage up. Huh?
Yep.
Spray it.
Not yet. I'm getting ready to. Huh? I ain't burned your truck yet. Get that air hose ready. Huh?
He said he's leaving.
Where you going, Kiki? Thanks, Kurt. Get your air hose ready. But once this son of a bitch pops up and it hits, you gotta hit the air to it. You know?
I have no idea what you're doing.
You've never seen this?
No.
Oh, it's a real redneck special. Because you got to turn it up to that. And it's windy.
Yeah, it doesn't help that we're about to do this in a thunderstorm.
Ready? I'll do it on this side of it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready? Get it, Mama, get it! Now you see why I said you gotta have the air ready. Because it'll go back off the rim. Got about 20 pounds of air in it. Ooh. How much in it?
Yeah.
Come on! That was pretty neat, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You like that?
I like that.